Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download your Trust Wallet application into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download the Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open your Play Store application, and after that just simply go over the search bar and then search for Trust Wallet. And after searching Trust Wallet, this Trust Wallet Bitcoin wallet application will appear. Just simply select this application, and after that you will get to see the install button. Tap to install button, and then after doing this, your Trust Wallet Bitcoin wallet application will successfully be downloaded depending on your internet speed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.